If you experience discomfort in the urinary tract, along with the frequent urge to urinate every 15 minutes and a burning sensation, and you may notice blood in your urine, you are likely dealing with a urinary tract infection. The most common cause of UTIs is a bacterium called Escherichia coli. In addition to this bacterium and similar bacteria, other causes of infection can include food allergies, poor hygiene, genetics, medical therapy, hormone imbalance, and more. To heal from a urinary tract infection, women typically need 3 to 5 days, and men may need up to 2 weeks. By using natural remedies and consuming larger amounts of healthy fluids, such as water and tea for urinary infections, you can easily rid yourself of the disease. Act in time and avoid delaying treatment to prevent further complications. Bacteria, as the most common causes of urinary tract infections, are primarily treated by taking antibiotics. However, their excessive and sometimes unnecessary use has created the problem of bacterial mutation and the development of resistance to antibiotics. Experts are concerned, among other things, about the possible ineffectiveness of treating urinary infections with these medicines, especially if you consume chicken meat and eggs. This is because producers give chickens large doses of antibiotics. In this scenario, not only are harmful bacteria eliminated, but also beneficial bacteria, which help maintain a healthy flora in the body. This weakens the immune system, creating ideal conditions for the development of various diseases. If your doctor prescribes antibiotics, make sure to take only the prescribed amount and do not take them for a longer period than instructed. Now, let's go over some natural remedies that can help treat urinary infections. For instance, cranberries are a well-known remedy for urinary tract infections. This red fruit has been used for decades to fight these types of diseases. Cranberries work best when consumed as tea, powder, or as fresh or dried fruit. If you're drinking juice, make sure it's free of artificial additives. For prevention, drink about 1 dl of cranberry juice daily, and if you're treating an infection, you may need up to 8 dl. It's important to avoid adding too much sugar, but if the taste is strong for you, mixing it with a little 100% natural apple juice can make it more palatable. Another powerful remedy for eliminating bacteria and viruses is garlic. Garlic is one of the strongest natural weapons for eliminating infections, and it is equally effective in preventing painful urinary infections. You can use fresh cloves or an extract, which is available in health food stores. A specific way for women to use garlic is to wrap 3 cloves tightly in a piece of sterile gauze, forming a tampon. You then place the gauze inside the vagina, leaving one end hanging outside. After 2 hours, remove the cloves, wash them, and dry the area thoroughly. Apple cider vinegar is another natural remedy that can help alleviate symptoms caused by urinary tract infections. Not only is it good for your hair and skin, but it contains enzymes that prevent harmful microbes from multiplying. To make an effective drink, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, the juice of half a lemon, and a glass of water. Drink it twice a day until the infection disappears. If you're looking for a natural alternative to antibiotics, consider using tea tree oil. In some cases, tea tree oil is the perfect substitute for antibiotics. For this, you can add 10 drops of tea tree oil to a bath and soak in the water. You'll want to follow this procedure daily until the infection is gone. Baking soda is another simple remedy that can help with urinary infections. It successfully neutralizes the acid in your urine, reducing discomfort and the burning sensation while urinating. To make a remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. This can help reduce the acidity in your urine and speed up recovery. For those who are prone to bacterial imbalances, probiotic intake can help prevent urinary infections by supporting the good bacteria in your system. Foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, which are rich in probiotics, can be great choices for boosting your immune system. Pineapple is also helpful for treating painful urinary infections. Beyond its delicious taste, the enzyme bromelain found in pineapple can destroy the bacteria responsible for the infection. Adding pineapple to your diet may speed up recovery. Juniper is another herb that has both diuretic and antibacterial properties, making it useful for fighting urinary infections. You can drink juniper tea or take supplements that contain juniper, parsley, or dandelion for added benefits. However, some people might experience side effects like slowed bowel movements, and it's important for pregnant women and diabetics to avoid juniper. Of course, water is crucial for fighting urinary tract infections. Drinking plenty of fluids helps flush out bacteria from your system, especially during the first 24 hours after symptoms appear. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, even if you don't feel thirsty. Staying hydrated will also strengthen your body's natural defense mechanisms. Another effective remedy is uva, bearberry, which acts as a diuretic and antiseptic. Uva was widely used before antibiotics became available. It works best when consumed as tea, especially at the early stages of an infection. However, you should limit your intake to no more than 5 consecutive days. Horsetail is a well-regarded plant in traditional medicine, known for its effectiveness in recovering from urinary infections. It's helpful to drink plenty of water while using horsetail to support its healing properties. Cinnamon is a fantastic spice when it comes to combating harmful microbes, both for prevention and treating existing infections. Whether you're using cinnamon in food or taking cinnamon capsules, it can be a great addition to your natural remedy arsenal. D-mannose is another useful remedy. This sugar, found in fruits, prevents bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. It doesn't kill bacteria but works by preventing their attachment, which can help in preventing and treating infections. You can take D-mannose in powder or capsule form, and it won't affect your blood sugar levels. Celery seeds also act as a diuretic and aid in faster recovery from urinary infections. Chewing them increases urine production, helping to flush out bacteria. You can consume these seeds once or twice a day as a snack. Wild oregano oil has been used since ancient times as a natural remedy for infections. Regular use of wild oregano oil can be highly beneficial in treating urinary infections. And remember, going to the bathroom often is one of the simplest ways to fight infections. Never hold your urine. Every time you urinate, you expel some bacteria, which helps speed up recovery. When dealing with urinary infections, it's important to avoid foods that can worsen the condition. Sugars feed the microbes responsible for urinary infections, so eliminate industrial juices, ice cream, desserts, and caffeinated drinks like coffee and energy drinks. Alcohol and spicy foods should also be avoided until you're healed. While natural remedies can work effectively in most cases, there are times when you should seek professional medical help. If your symptoms are mild, you can try natural treatments for 2 or 3 days. However, if complications have occurred, or if you belong to high-risk groups such as those with diabetes, a weakened immune system, those over 65 years old, or those who are pregnant, it's important to consult a doctor immediately. Additionally, if you notice recurring symptoms, blood or pus in your urine, or experience severe pain, nausea, vomiting, fever, and chills, these could be signs of a more serious infection, and you should seek medical attention as soon as possible.